welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. Just a quick reminder before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Today I'm bringing this wig review for PinkyPromise.com. We're going to take a look at this really cute new little style by Belle Tress. This is called Valencia, and the color on this one is Roca Margarita Blonde. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start taking a look at this cute new short style by Belle Tress. This is Valencia, and like I said, this is in the color Roca Margarita Blonde. This is such a cute little style. I just am getting such a kick out of her. She just has these wispy little waves. They kind of fall where they want to. I will share with you that I used a little heat to open my part. I have a little short video here on my channel showing you how I do that. And all I did was just open the part, sprayed some water, I held this down and hit it with the blow dryer just to get, that part to open. And then I had to do a little curl right here. So I did a little short showing how I did the curl, but just in case you haven't seen it. So this hair came out and it was just pretty straight. So I have this really cool Longe hair curler that has a fan on it. I'm gonna turn it on here and I will recurl it for y'all. I'm gonna give it just a second. It heats up super fast, but it's a flat iron, but it's rounded, so it's perfect for putting these curls in wigs. But I want to wait till the fan comes on because it takes it just a second. It'll probably come on when I'm doing it. But anyway, I don't really have to have the fan, but the nice thing about having the cooling fan on it, there it goes, is that it cools the hair as it comes out. And that's all I had to do to it. I just had to put a little extra curl in that one little spot. And, okay, now I want you to stop doing that. Stop. Turn off. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, we'll put that down to just cool down. Okay, but anyway, so that was how I did it. Really, really easy, So sometimes with these little waves, you might have to do that. And I recommend this cool little tool. So I'll put a link down below the video for this tool. And I'll also put I'll put it in the comments. I don't get anything for recommending this. I bought it with my own money, but I have to say with these heat-friendly wigs, when you just need to put a little curl or if you need to use it on the bangs, works really, really great. Okay, so I like to disclose if I've done any styling just so that you know, and I also like you to know what to expect when your wig comes out of the box. It might have a little spot there. You could also use your curling iron. I think that would work too. So, but the hair just wasn't laying right, not that unusual. So, okay, so let's look at her from the front here. Here's my left side. The back. She's cute in the back. All right. And back to the front. She kind of reminds me of Cascara that I just reviewed not too long ago, but she's just a little shorter. And I just think she's really cute and really spunky. So, okay, so I will show you her lace front. So she has an extended temple to temple lace front. That seems to be something that they are doing now, which I'm happy with. So it looks really, really nice, especially with this light color and this light rooting on this Roca Margarita. So here's the part. And then ear tabs, I've got good coverage. A little bit, are we looking at, is it sparse right there? I need to look at that a little closer. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. And yes, I do think they're sparse. I needed to go check them out in the mirror. Sorry that I failed to do that before I did the review. But these lighter colors, I don't know, Belle Tress, we gotta step it up, do a little better on these ear tabs. But the way that the hair hangs, and with this short style, I don't really think that's gonna show anyway. So, but I do wanna disclose that I'm seeing it too. So, alrighty, so measurement wise for Valencia, we have in the front here, 8 to 9 inches. Same measurement on the side, 8 to 9 inches. The nape, they say is a 2 to 2.5 inch nape. So there must be some layering back there in the nape. And then overall, they say we have a 10-inch layer somewhere in here on this wig. I don't know where we have a 10-inch. Maybe over here at the side looks like a 10-inch to me. But anyway, they say overall 10 inches. So weight-wise, 3 ounces. So really, really lightweight. Okay, I'll pop her off and we can look at the interior of her cap. There's the part up close. Okay, so left mono part. Closed lace up here, no permatease. I'm not feeling any permatease in this style, very typical of Belle Tress. extended lace front that extends down onto the ear tabs, gives you that true temple to temple coverage. They used to just do that lace front from the top of the ear tab to the top of the ear tab, so I'm liking this extension. Soft felt ear tab with a nice piece of metal. Open wefted cap. She has a soft felt strip here, but she does not have an extended nape, but her nape is only 2 inches, so it's not really needed. Pull adjusters. Stretch in the cap. Stretch in the circumference. I'm gonna pop her back on and talk about the fit because I just realized that I forgot to do that. She's very easy once you get that part open and get your curls, you know, the way you want them. She's easy to just pop on and go. Fix that one little curl, there we go. Okay, so ear to ear, she's fitting me nicely, although she's just slightly long. So I think this definitely fits like a true average. She's not too long. I have had ear tabs that like go down to here and that just doesn't work. Like I can pull the whole cap over my ears and that's not the case with this one. So ear to ear is fitting me fine, but should fit average fine. Forehead to nape is fitting me, but there's plenty of extra room. So I think average and average plus this should work on. If you're petite, pull your adjusters in. And as long as your ear measurement is not, you know, less than 11, I think that you would do okay with this cap. Okay, let's take a look at this beautiful color. So this is the Roca Margarita Blonde, really, really pretty white silvery blonde, light color. So the description for the Roca Margarita is cool blend of silver and coconut ash blonde with platinum highlights and subtle ash brown roots that slowly diffuse into the strand. So really, really nice. This has become one of my favorite colors, even though it's so light. If you saw that video where I talked about how I make these colors work, you'll notice I'm wearing my black and white top. I can wear this color with navy and black and colors like that. So I like the fact that the root is just a light root. I think if you truly have, you know, light blonde hair and you do have some rooting, you know, you're not gonna want a really, really dark root. That's just not gonna look natural. So I think they did a nice job making this rooting look natural. Okay, let's go check out the color outside. Okay, so here we are outside with Roca Margarita Blonde on Valencia. Here's your root, lace front. So here I am in the shade. You can really see that coconut ash and the platinum. And I'll walk into the sun. Okay, let's look at styling and glasses and all that with Valencia. So she is ear tuckable, low density. Glasses, no problem. Up on your head, no problem. I always tuck before I put my glasses back. Your readers, your sunglasses, whatever. And the style this short, sometimes I don't bother to do that. I just stick it on my head. So, okay, so let's put her with a headband. The leopard always looks pretty on this color. So these curls are, I don't know, they're sitting kind of funny with the headband, but you know, just play around with them. Again, you can get that iron and you can straighten them out. I am able to keep the bang back, or you can pull it out if you want to. Looks pretty. Really, really cute. So that would be a great way, you know, if you just need to get her out of your face. She's really not bad, you know, as far as face flopping. Sometimes I will just take this front layer and stick it behind my ear, and you know, that resolves the issue of just that one bang, you know. But as far as other styling, she doesn't really have the length, you know, for you to do a half up, half down. If you want to, you could just pin, you know, pin a little bobby pin or a little claw clip right behind the ear, or you could just pin her back, you know, on the lace front itself. Get all the hair here. You know, because she's got a really, really pretty lace front, and you could wear her like that. And again, she's heat friendly, so, you know, add curl, straighten her out. You can do all those sorts of things. Just remember that these fibers will have memory from however you curl them. So, you know, if you get it wet or wash it or whatever, it's not going to go back to the way it was right out of the box. It's going to stick with the style that you put it in until you put it back, you know, in the original style. So, but really, really cute with these heat-friendly fibers. This is a really easy length to maintain as well. So thank you to Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There'll be purchase information in the drop-down box down below this video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.